People have patterns of behavior. Nobody ever does anything once. So let's say if somebody sent you an angry email that defended you, and then they go, oh, I'm sorry, but that's not who I was. Something came over me. We'll probably accept that, but the truth is, they never did that once. It's a pattern. They've done it many times. If they've screwed you in some way, they've screwed 10 other people in their past. You want to see people's patterns of behavior, the kind of compulsive element in them. That'll show you something very deep in their core. You also want to look at them in the moments where their guard is down. You know, we all wear masks. We all try to present ourselves as being noble and great. But the mask comes down in certain elements. You want to look at how they treat their children, their spouse, their employees. They might be nice to you because they want something out of you, but in the little details of life, they kind of reveal who they are.